Battle Force 5. Anybody remember these? So it's the car sets. It's like a few different ones. There's the smaller ones too, but these are cool. These are
excellent. What?
How and why are Hot Wheels Battle Force 5 toys popping up in stores in 2021? For those who don't know, Battle Force 5 was a sub-line of Hot Wheels toys active from 2009 to 2011. It got its own TV show and dedicated toy line. It's been almost a full decade since the discontinuation, but there have been reports of some of the toys showing up in stores. To be specific, there is only one known retailer carrying these Battle Force 5 toys called 99 Cents Only Stores, a chain of stores located in the United States' Southwest. So it's not a very large chain to say Walmart or Target, but there's still the question of why these old toys in good condition are being sold at a bargain. Here is the list of known toys being sold at 99 Cents Only Stores. Some action figure toys from Season 1 and the 143 scale toys from the second season fused. Second season is something to pay attention to for later. It's a long explanation, but first, the history of Battle Force 5's toy line needs to be explained. Despite the show's popularity on Cartoon Network in the US, it's been believed Battle Force 5's toy line did not do so well in the US. So while it officially ran from 2009 to 2011 in many other countries, it really was only until 2010 in the United States and Canada. Mattel/retailers cut off the second season's toy line after the first wave there, released the remainder in other regions like Latin America, and cancelled the last waves universally. Next, there's the most important part, the factory. Battle Force 5 toys were made in China. It seems like one manufacturer was used to produce most of the toys. Occasionally these factories would have leftover stock of products either unsold and or unfinished. The stock would be put in storage for as long as they were willing to keep them there. Sometime in 2019 or 2020, the factory offloaded the stock of their Battle Force 5 stuff. It's unknown as to why, but chances are the owners were unwilling to continue paying the storage costs or ran out of space. This has resulted in prototypes of never-before-seen toys being revealed and resulted in the reselling of the finished stock in many areas. Some are on the internet, and most recently the dollar store chain 99 Cents Only has picked up a supply. So that's why Battle Force 5 toys have popped up in stores. The factory made them years ago and put them in storage, and recently offloaded their storage, resulting in resellers and a retailer picking them up at what is probably a cheap price, selling them in their markets. But that's not all. Some may have noticed the type of packaging for the second season toys. Previously, collectors could only find these fusion toys in non-US/Canada regions. They have details that suggest what is commonly referred to as international packaging. That the picture displaying shows the toy features and the multiple languages on the package. These at the time were the only known versions of the three fusion toys. The dollar store supply features international packages for the Season 1 toys, which were always seen back then. However, these three fusion toys show US-based package lettering. There's the use of the Cartoon Network logo, more English text, and now they feature toy bios on the back of the card. So what's going on? These were never seen before until the factory started offloading. They have signs of being for the US market, but the US never got them, and other regions got an international package. Remember the fact that Mattel/retailers cut off Season 2's toy line in the US after Wave 1. In other words, some of the toys that were meant to be released in the US before cancellation have finally made it to the US after 10 years. Package variants that have been sitting in storage for a decade after the cancellation are finally being used. It's a strange story, but if you're a Battle Force 5 fan in the Southwest, a 99 cents only store may have Battle Force 5 toys at an incredible bargain price.